integers. Alright? Now, yesterday, we did 3 times negative 5. What is 3 times negative 5?
Negative 15.
Yep. How do you know it's negative 15?
Because you multiply negative 5 times 3.
Okay. How do you know it's negative?
There's a negative sign. It has more negatives. You're the one who got the 5.
Alright. Remember yesterday we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I done?
No.
What do I need?
One more 5.
One more group of 5, right? So, oh, I have these 15 negatives. That's what this means. 3 groups of negative 5. What if it's 5 times negative 2? 5 groups of negative 2, which is negative 10. But what if it's negative 4 times negative 2? How do I represent a negative group? You do the opposite of whatever's inside.
It's the opposite.
So it is positive 8.
We learned that in
Good.
when there's 2 negatives, it becomes positive. It's the opposite. One negative becomes negative.
Alright. So, here are the rules. Attendance. Multiplying.
Homework?
Alex.
Oh.
Tuesday. Rules for multiplying integers. Here are the rules. You're writing this down, right?
Yeah.
If the signs are the same, it equals, well, that's not even better, equals a positive number. Oh, you know what I asked my second period? I said, does anybody know what an integer is? What does integers mean?
A number?
What kind of number?
A positive or negative?
Yeah, so some kids didn't know that. So an integer is just a fancy dancy word for positive and negative number. Okay, so here's the first rule. If the signs are the same, it will equal, I guess no S on equals. It will equal a positive number. What do you think if the signs are different?
Oh, I think the S does go there.
If the signs are equal, if the signs are the same, it equals a positive number. It's going to look great on my YouTube video. Alright. If the signs are different, it equals a negative number. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Are we okay?
Yeah.
I'm ready to move on. That's why you have to make sure you write when I start writing so you don't fall behind. Okay. Alright. You got 3 other people that sit with you, or 2 other people that sit with you. They're more than happy to share their notes with you. Maybe. Not happy, but we'll go. Okay. -3 times 5. So, my question is, what kind of number is this number? The first one. The negative. What kind of number is the second one?
Negative.
Positive. So, are they the same or different?
Different. Negative.
Different. so therefore it's negative. It's completely different than the addition rules. These are completely different. Okay, then you go, okay, what's 3 times 5?
15.
So my answer is negative 15. Rule number 2. Okay, negative 6 times negative 4. What kind of number is the first one? Stop. Stop.
It's a negative.
It's a negative. Write this down.
What if it's positive?
What's the second number? Hold on.
Negative.
So my answer is going to be
Positive.
positive 24. Obviously you don't have to write the positive, right? But it's just to show you.
Plus 20.
Matthew, what was your question before? What was like, oh, what if? What was it? Huh. What if it's 8 times negative 5? What kind of number is this?
Positive.
Oh, we're getting distracted. This is a positive. What kind of number is this?
Negative.
So if they're different, what kind of answer am I going to get?
Negative.
Negative, and then 8 times 5?
40.
Okay, so that's one way to remember it. There is a different way to remember it as well. We call upon the Dorito Man.
Yeah, Doritos.
What?
I like Doritos.
The Dorito Man. Okay, let's focus. Do you have this written down?
Yeah.
Some call it the Pizza Man as well.
It's like a face.
Yes. Okay. So, here's what we do. Some of you might find this useful. Some of you might find just the definitions useful. Some might find the Dorito Man to be, wow, that's pretty cool. Here it is. If I have negative 2 times 3, my first number is a negative, so therefore I cover up the negative. My second number, with too many parentheses, my second number is a positive, so I'm going to cover up the positive. What have I not covered up? Negative, so therefore my answer is what's not covered up?
Negative. Oh, that's smart. That's sick.
It's smart, but it's slow.
It's weird. It's not really. That's how people go fast.
Alright,
It's slow.
what's negative 9 times negative 4? Well, my first number is a negative, so I cover up a negative. My second number is also a negative, so I cover up the second negative. What I haven't covered up the positive, so my answer is positive.
Are we gonna get for all of them?
You will next week.
Yeah, I was
I'm gonna get them wrong.
because we won Miss Lamelli in the game. Oh my god, I could score.
Alright,
I will do Doritos.
are we okay? Okay, let's practice these rules. So don't put away your notebook. We're going to practice these rules.